Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. Got a cool little spotlight today. This is the MSR 4-in-1 bicycle pliers. So this is actually a tool that I use personally. In fact, we just had to use it not too long ago. I was on a group ride with some friends and we had to remove somebody's master link, put the chain back on. And that's what's cool about this tool is that it's low profile, it's lightweight, it's made from high quality aluminum, but it's multi-use. So first and foremost, like the name says, it can be used as pliers to make it easy to remove and install your master link. But what's also cool is that these two pieces actually come apart, and when they are, that will give you 2 tire spoons that you can use. And then on the inside here, you actually have a chain hook, so that'll hold your chain together when you're reinstalling that master link. And on the other side, you have a slot where you can actually put a couple master links. So again, it's just a really handy tool to have with you out on the trails. You never know what's gonna happen, just like the other day. So if you don't have something like this, pick one of these up. MSR does have a lot of other cool tools that you can check out as well. They have a multi-tool, one that has a chain breaker, one that has a CO2 inflator. They got tailgate pads and a whole lot of other cool stuff, so be sure to check them all out. To grab one of these, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, if you want to stay up to date on cool little products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.